exciting. This has just arrived from one of my favourite ever English heritage, beautiful luxury brands, Fairfax Favor. This, my friend, is Fairfax Favor's Advent Calendar. Every day for the next 4 days. I don't know what I'm going to open every day. And for me, that fills me with so much Christmas joy. Ready, the Mont Dog, Donnie? You ready, the Mont Dog? Okay, we're going to go for number 1 first. Oh my gosh. I have never seen such beautiful packaging in my whole entire life. What is it? Oh my god. If that isn't quality of the finest order, I don't know what is. How am I going to style this up? Oh my goodness! I needed to wear this beautiful velvet luxe midnight blue suit, and it goes so perfectly with this club. And I have found the most perfect pair of shoes. Shoes on, gone for the supermodel vibes, one can try. And it's the perfect size, I've already put my lippy in it. So Fairfax Favor are celebrating the festive season by giving away £15,000 worth of special prizes as part of their 12 days of Christmas virtual Advent Calendar. So for a chance to win, all you need to do is sign up on their website. The link is in the caption, and I will see you all tomorrow for glorious day 2. I'm gonna have to stop myself tonight from opening the next box. See you tomorrow.